welcome to our marae. It's our Tūrangawaewae. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors roam. No matter if you've come from near or far, we all know the kaupapa, where your roots are drawn to your whakapapa. You never fall for the future without your past, without the waiata.
It means a lot to me because it's the story of our tūpuna, our ancestors, and it's been around for hundreds of years. And I was bringing it to today's time. So the whole point of that is re-indigenizing native history and native knowledge.
From your ancestors, they're in your blood.
When I finished doing the song, I was thinking, wow, you can't go onto a marae without a karanga. I reached out to Maisey, she jumped on and she just lifted the song even more. Also getting St. Joe's and Te College to be part of this waiata, and it just lifted it even more, to be honest, because between those schools there's about 300 years history, and that's pretty deep for Māori boarding schools.
When you travel to a distant land, you're gonna...
It's elevated to something bigger than I could ever imagine, so I'm very grateful. It's a song that took about 200 songs to get to. As a songwriter, I think I feel when we finished that song that was the song I was supposed to write. And though that sounds a bit cheesy, that was the one I was trying to get to from all these songs, that I've written in the past. So thank you, Kilda.